Hi everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I have a witchy unboxing for you. It's the Goddess Provisions for June. Yes guys, June already. Happy birthday to all those Geminis out there. Alright, so let's see what June has in store. Ooh, our regular box, and this is what it looks like. So, always guided and protected is our theme for June. Always pretty art card too. All right, what's first? Interesting. Amulet of Protection in a good, this black, cute little bag. It's like a canvas material or cotton maybe. Oh, it's a key. I love keys. It's like a brass key with the Hosma hand. Both sides. Let's see if there's something else in here. I left the door open for you, kitty. Just push. It says Amulet of Protection. It goes into the Hosma hand. And this is the back. And let me let her in. Because if I don't, come on. You can push. I see you. I see your one eye. Come on. Grab her real quick, guys. Sorry. Come on. Hurry up. Hurry up. I know. I love you too. Sorry for the small interference. The next item is, it looks like a, hello, yeah. Hello, you follow me in here? I know. Always follow me. She loves this space. We got a white howlite. It's like a little square piece. Cute. Put that there for now. Then we have this here, this bag, and it says, what's it say? Ooh, let me shake it. It's got like purple mica in it. It says, 1/2 ounce crystal infused moon oil for protection, anointing oil. So that's cute. What? Hi. And we have another little guy here. I have no idea what this is. It's yellow. Kind of looks like citrine or honey calcite, but I'm not sure. So we got that little guy. Ooh, we got a book, Protection Spells, an enchanting spell book to clear negative energy. And it's by, who is this by? Oh, sorry, it's close. That's the side. Oh, Aurora Kane. I think she makes this in a bigger book. I think they make this small for this box. That's really cute. Because it's, looks familiar, so let's just go over a quick. Oh, it's got road opening oil. It has turn around your fortunes, round robin wishes, stay healthy spell. A lot of cool things in here. Breaking bad habits, protection from negative thinking. I mean, so we got a lot of good stuff in here. Spells for the home. Really, really cute. Then you got spells to prevent harm. 3 is, oh, we did that one. 3 is spells to heal and prevent illness. spells for good luck. And there's probably one more. Nope, that's it. Really cute. Like that a lot. Oh, and there's one more item. And it's this here. It says Mystic Moons. A luxurious textile for your creative expression. Shawl, head wrap, wall hanging, altar cloth. Infinite potential. And this is the back. Ooh, what does this look like? I'm like ripping it open. Dying to see what it looks like. This is so pretty and colorful. Oh, wow. I like this. And it's big because it opens up. All right. So, yeah, this is big. Good. I don't know if this is upside down or right, but I'm just going to try to get as much of this in there as possible. And I switched it this way because I think this might be the right way. Isn't that nice? And the coloring, ooh, I like that a lot. Really nice. I'm not sure what I'm going to use it as yet, but I'll figure it out. All right, so let's see what this is about. Yeah. So the first item is the protection oil. It's October Occult Protection Anointing Oil. I guess it's a company. It's an $18 value. Uses juniper, branch, fir, and cedar infused oil for ritual protection against negative energies. Then we got this beautiful Mystic Moons luxurious textile, $44. Wear or place this versatile piece anywhere and add a pop of color and added protection. Then we got this awesome book, $12.99 value. Carry this petite yet potent book with you at all times, filled with spells, charms, rituals, and potions. Very, very cool. Then the cute little amulet with the key, really cute, $19 value. Harness the power of magic and symbolization by carrying this amulet to create a glowing aura of protection around you. Then white howlite, $5, promotes calmness, patience, and stress relief while enhancing communication, self-awareness, and emotional expression. This says Phantom Zebra Calcite. Create a positive and well-balanced atmosphere by using the crystal to clear negative and chaotic energies and amplify positive energy. Value of $5. So yes, that is our beautiful box for June. And it goes like this protection shield ritual they included as well. So that's really nice. New addition. Cool. All right, guys, let me know what you think about June's box. I'll leave you the information about this box down below in the description. Thank you guys for watching.